In this video, you will learn how to create a line graph in Microsoft Excel from multiple data sets. Currently, you can see here I have generated this line graph using this set of data. It is the data about the effect of temperature on the droplet size of nanoemulsions. Currently, you can see here first column shows the storage days and the rest of three columns shows the effect of different temperature ranges. This column shows the effect of 55 degrees centigrade, this one shows the effect of 25 degrees centigrade, and last one shows the effect of 4 degrees centigrade on the droplet size of nanoemulsions. Currently, you can see here this graph contains more than one line, so it is also called multiple line graph. So let's learn how to create line graph in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly you will learn how to generate a line graph in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, select your data. I will select this data with headers. After selecting this data, go to Insert tab, and under Chart you will find the option of Insert Line or Area Chart. Select this one. Here you will find two options. Either you want to insert line graph without marker or with marker. I will insert a line graph with markers, so I will choose this option. Currently you can see here Microsoft Excel has generated a line graph, but it did not plot the data accurately because the x-axis data are displayed on y-axis. Currently you can see here the storage days are displayed on y-axis. If you face this problem, firstly select this chart, go to Chart Design tab, and here you will find the option of Select Data. Choose this one. A pane will be appeared. This one shows the y-axis data and this one shows the x-axis data. Currently you can see here days are displayed on y-axis data instead of x-axis data. So click on it. Now you can see here days are selected. It's indicated by this blue color. After selecting this, click on this Remove tab. Now you can see here we have only three data series. Now we will adjust the values of horizontal axis. Click on Edit, and from here I will choose days data without header. After that, click on OK. Again on OK. Now you can observe that Microsoft Excel has plotted this data accurately. Now you will learn another easy method to generate this line graph. I will remove this one. Again select this data. Go to Insert tab, and instead of selecting particular chart, go to Recommended Chart option, select this one. From here go to All Chart option, and you will find the option of line. Select this one, and from here I will choose this one. After selecting this, click on OK. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has correctly plotted this data. I will place it here and resize it by using these handles. Select the graph, go to Chart Design tab, and here you will find the option of Quick Layout. You can choose any built-in layout of Microsoft Excel. Similarly, here is the option of Change Color. Select this one, and you can select any color scheme. Here is the option of Chart Styles. You can select any chart style. Now you will learn how to conditionally format this graph according to your requirement. Select the graph, and at the corner you will find the option of plus sign, which is chart element option. Click on that. You will find multiple options. In this case I don't want grid lines, so I will deselect this option. I am interested to insert axis title, so I will select this one. Now you will learn how to edit the axis title and chart title. Select this one, put equal sign in formula bar, and select the cell which contains title. You can also manually write it. After selecting this, press enter. Similarly, select y-axis title, manually write any text in formula bar and press enter. Now select x-axis, put equal sign in formula bar and select the cell which contains title. Press enter. Now select this title, go to Home tab. From here I will select black color, bold this text and change the font size. Similarly, select this one, bold, black color and 11. After selecting this, double click on this format painter option to copy this format. Now I will format the values and titles according to this format. Click here, then I will click here, click on x-axis title and click on this legend. After that I will deselect this format painter option. Now to increase the visibility of this graph, I will adjust minimum and maximum value. Select the x-axis values, right click, go to format axis option. I will place it here. Go to axis option and here you will find the option of minimum and maximum values. Currently you can see here the minimum value is 0, while in our data the minimum value is 119. So I will change minimum value to 115. Click here and I will write 115. After that click anywhere in this cell, click here. You can see here that the minimum value is 115 instead of 0. Again select this one. And from here I will adjust maximum value. Currently the maximum value is 235 and in our data maximum value is 215. I will change it to 220. After changing the value, click anywhere in this sheet and you will observe that maximum value will be changed. Now again select this vertical axis values, right click, go to format axis option. From here go to fill and line option, go to line option. From here you will find the option of solder line, select this one. Select the color of line, I will choose black color. Scroll down. Here you will find the option of width of this line, I will choose 1.5 pt. After that go to axis option, I want to insert tick marks. If I scroll down, here is the option of tick marks, major type outside and minor type outside. Repeat this procedure for x-axis, select this one. Firstly go to fill and line option. From here I will choose solid line, width 1.5 pt, color black. Go to axis option and from here you will find the option of tick marks, major type outside. Now you can see here major type tick marks are inserted and minor type outside. After doing that I will close this one. Now you will learn how to change the color of this line. Select this one, right click, go to format data series option. From here go to fill and line option. In line select solid line and select the color of this line. I will choose green color. Similarly you can adjust the width of this line. I will choose 2 pt. Click on second line and repeat this procedure. In this case I will choose red color and 2 pt width. Select third line and from here choose solid line. Select the color of line. I will choose purple and from here I will adjust the width of this line. After doing that I will close this one. Now you can observe that we have successfully generated a line graph from multiple data series. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.